Hey guys, thanks for joining this video. My name is Joseph and welcome to another behind the scenes video. I'm taking you guys along as I create these series of images using just one light for my studio photography. I'm also adding a large reflector just to bounce some of that light back, and I'm also going to be shooting shallow. I get questions on how I'm able to shoot shallow depth images in the studio, and it's really not that difficult. All you need to do is, if you're using like really powerful strobes like 400, 600 or higher, you need to turn down the power. But chances are, if your strobes are really powerful, you're still going to blow out some of the images. All right, another thing is also to drop your ISO as you'd see me build up the shot. So actually, let's jump right in so you guys can see exactly how I do it. So going over the lighting again, we have this main light positioned this way, and you can see it's pointing directly on here. And because I'm going to be shooting at 1.4 and also with a slightly higher ISO, we're still going to have like a lot of light in the frame, and if I tilt this in such a way that it's going to hit her and the background, I feel we're going to have almost like an even exposure, but I still want to darken the background just a tiny bit for a bit of separation, and that's because I'm just using one light. So this one light is aiming on her, supposed to illuminate her, separate her from the backdrop, and you can see like we have something more of like a monochromatic color scheme going on from the flowers, her hair, the backdrop, and the clothes that she's on. And for my camera, I'm using the 5D Mark IV this time with the 51.4. I'll be shooting at 1.4, and yeah, I think we can start shooting. We're just gonna run through the settings and figure out what's going to work for what we're trying to do today. So stick and stay. So currently, I'm shooting in live view because I'm used to the mirrorless, and I'm using the 5D Mark IV this time. It says I'm at 160 on shutter speed, f1.4 on aperture, and ISO 500. So I'll just take a test shot and look at all of the light that we have going on. You can see the exposure is nice, but it's a bit flat. So now I want to control it a little bit. And the first thing I would want to dial in is going to be my ISO. So I'm going to click on ISO and then drag it down. And maybe we can just take it to like maybe 100. Take another test. Now you can see it's looking really dark, right? But I'm just going to turn on my flash and start off with the least power, which is 1/128. I'll take another shot. Perfect. Now you can see it's beginning to light it up perfectly, and this is what we want, all right? But I don't want to stress my flash a lot. I just want a little bit of a feel, so I'll still drop my shutter speed. I'll drop my aperture down to 1.4 and increase the ISO to 200, or let's start with 160. Take another test. Perfect, it's getting there. I'm gonna up my flash a little bit, so from 1/128, I'll go to 1/64. Take another test. I think the flash is a tiny bit too strong, so I'll just come down to 1/128.7. Take one last shot. And yeah, I think I like where the exposure is right now, so we can go ahead and start working with our model. Okay, one last thing here. One last adjustment I want to make. Since I came down, I noticed the height of the light was a bit too much, especially because I'm shooting like down at here, right? So I just want to bring the height of the light down, and that would increase the power a little bit. So let's just take one more shot. Yeah, I think I like this because it's giving us a little bit of a harsh light, and I kind of like it. Okay, so right now you're going to do your thing. All right, perfect. I like that. I like that head tilt and the smile. Yeah, perfect. Bring your chin down a little bit. Yes, stunning. Oh, I love that. Just bring your face towards, yeah, but I keep that direction. Perfect, that's stunning. All right, and you can keep moving. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's nice. Stunning. One last shot. Yeah, straight into the camera. Perfect. Can you let your legs go more like towards the side? Yeah, and then you're rolling over. Yes, just like that. Okay, I can see that you're playing with it, so you can just raise it up so it's off the, yeah, perfect, just like that. Stunning. Oh, I love that. I love that. Nice. Back into the camera. Chin down a little bit. One more. Perfect. All right, I think I'm okay with these full shots. Now I'm going to come close to you and then we'll play with some of the accessories and things going on in the frame. All right, so let me take like a closer shot of you. Yeah, I like it when you did that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. But bring your chin down. Yes, stunning. Really nice. You can look in this direction. Perfect, keep that. Keep that, keep that, keep that. Okay, bring it towards me a little bit, yes. And then that hand, I don't know what you can do with it. I think you can like rest it here. Like rest it on, yeah, perfect. Just like that. Bring your chin down a little bit. Yeah. Okay, one more. Perfect. I want us to play with like the rings, and so if you can put it maybe around here, just like that. Yeah, that's nice. That's perfect. Beautiful. Bring your chin down. Yeah, stunning. Beautiful. Really nice. Nice. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. One more. Yeah, keep that. But don't think too much about the pose. Just own it. Yeah. One more shot. One last shot. Perfect. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two, and if you did, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and remember, don't ever give up.